In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make the best homemade cornbread. This is my second time making it, and let me tell you, it's soft, buttery, slightly sweet, and golden on top. The kind of cornbread that melts in your mouth. So let's jump right in. Okay, so first thing, I've got my oven preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, while that's heating up, I'm placing my skillet on the stove to melt some butter. This will give our cornbread that perfect golden crust. Okay, in a bowl, we'll pour in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cornmeal, half cup of granulated sugar, a tablespoon of baking powder, teaspoon of salt. We'll go ahead and mix everything together until it is nicely mixed, then set it aside. In a separate bowl, I'm going to pour in 1 cup of milk, 2/3 cup of melted butter, then add in 2 eggs. Once the eggs are in, we'll add in 2/3 cup of cream sweet corn. We'll go ahead to mix everything together until it's smooth and well combined. And adding the sweet corn adds a lovely texture and sweetness to the batter. Okay. Next, we are going to pour our wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Okay, we'll mix it all together until it is well incorporated. Don't over mix it. We want our cornbread nicely and fluffy. Now my skillet is hot and ready. We'll pour in our batter and spread it evenly. Once that is done, I will go ahead to pop it into the preheated oven and bake it for about 30 to 40 minutes or until the top is beautifully golden brown. While our cornbread is baking, let's make a quick topping. This part makes all the difference. In a small bowl, we'll mix together some melted butter and honey. We will brush this on top as soon as the cornbread comes out of the oven for that glossy sweet finish. And guys, 40 minutes later, look at that golden fluffy perfection. While this is still warm, I'm brushing the honey butter mixture all over the top. And guys, smell is incredible. We'll allow it to cool down just a little bit before cutting. But we couldn't wait. We had to dig in, right? And there you have it, the best homemade cornbread recipe, baked to perfection. Crispy on the edge, salt and buttery inside. It's so delicious. Trust me, you're going to love it. You gotta make this recipe this Thanksgiving. It's so delicious and super moist. Thank you all so much for watching. If you love this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my new recipes. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. And if you want me to try new recipes, kindly leave in the comment section below and I will go ahead and try it for you. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye bye.